happy 999 portal. Congratulations for those of you who feel like you guys have made a jump, because you have. Those of us who've been working on our ascension, and there's also some people who are kind of not fully having made the jump, but I want you guys to make the jump. So I'm going to give you guys a few tips here. So first and foremost, what is 9? The number 9 represents the energy of completion. So 999 is a massive cosmic completion timeline. It literally means like all of the soul lessons that you have been working on for the past few years have been wrapped up. And for those of you who are resisting them, those of you who are in ego, you guys are having a hard time right now. The first thing that this energy right now demands of you, and it's non-negotiable, is 100% self-accountability and self-responsibility. You are no longer allowed to project on other people, because your ego is convincing you that it's the other person's fault. And most of you are holding on too much hurt. You're holding on to too much resentment. You're holding on to all these confused feelings of, oh, he said that and that hurt my feelings, and she said that and it hurt my feelings. But what you don't know is that your ego is keeping you in this energy to sabotage you from what's really important, from you making this jump, so that it can keep you in this energy of hurt. The energy of hurt is a very low vibrational egoic frequency. The second theme that you guys are seeing in your life is that your ego is literally crying and throwing a major mega tantrum. It does not want to leave. It does not want to harmonize. And this is actually a cause of great celebration, because the ego is literally saying, I'm on the verge of extinction and I don't want this. I don't want to go. So congratulations, but recognize that this kicking and screaming person is not you in despair. It is your ego. Third theme I want you to keep in mind for this 999 portal: let your freaking old relationships go. Let your friendships that are no longer aligned to your soul's highest calling go. Let your jobs, any career, anything that's not aligned, just let it go. Because what's happening right now is that you are so used to being in the frequency of all these things that have surpassed you in vibration, including your own family, that you're doing yourself the biggest injustice by keeping yourself stuck in a cage where you're the one who's locked yourself in this cage. All right, the 999 portal also carries the energetic signature that anything that is aligned to service to self and not aligned to divinity, to God's will on planet Earth, which is serving humanity, you being a vessel of God to serve humanity, will start to see collapse. This can be anybody, whether it's a spiritual teacher or a CEO of a big company. If they're not rooted in their alignment with their higher calling, they will not be as successful as those of us who are fully aligned to our truth with our divine calling. So now's a good time for every single one of you to take stock of your lives. So today, this 999 portal, the biggest theme that seems to be coming into Earth is for all of us to get out of our ego stories and return to innocence, because innocence is the way of God.